To set up custom keyboard layout on Realme GT7 Pro, first let's open our settings. We can scroll down and enter System and Update, go for Keyboard and Input method. Select Manage Keyboards and then Gboard. Right here we want to enter theme, and you can click on this plus button to enter the custom theme mode. Now you can choose an image that you will use for the background on your keyboard. Then we can adjust the brightness for it. And right here we can enable or disable key borders. Select Apply and your new keyboard should be set. Let's check it out. It's right here.